Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here we've got the information what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.